Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elda Kurniati. I'm from 4th semester from English department. My class is C3.9. Okay, and here I will explain to you about the tips how to answer the listening TOEFL test. The first one is about general tips to answer the listening TOEFL test. The first one is be familiar. Be familiar is mean that be familiar with the direction before you follow the listening TOEFL test. Okay. The second one is read the choice answer. Read the choice answer is meant that when the narrator read about direction, you must check or read your answer in your worksheet. Okay. The third one is focus. It's meant that focus is focus to the speaker to the talk about the narrator and the general tips made.
Okay.
Focus in here it's meant that when the about the conversation and talk because you just have one time to the listen. Okay. The last one is know where the answer. It's meant that you must know with a general or about the question that you found. Okay, that's it. And the second one is because we know listening TOEFL test have three point. The first one is short dialogue. The second one is long dialogue, and the third one is speech. The fourth one is short dialogue. The first one is focus and listen. It's meant that we must focus and listen to the second line. The second one is focus to keyword. It's meant that if you don't understand about word by word in a complex conversation, you don't be panic. You just focus on the content of the conversation. Next, functional expression. In here, you must understand about the functional expression such as agreement, surprise, and idiomatic expressions, and of course about situations. The last one is never leave any answer blank. Okay, because we know we just have one time, so never leave any answer blank. Okay, and here I will give one example about the short dialogue. The example is like that. In directions, the narrator said, "I can't believe the news that I heard about the concert." And the woman say, "Well, it is not impossible for the concert to take place." And when the narrator say, "What does the woman say about the concert?" We must know what is the correct answer. In here, the correct answer is C. Why? The correct answer is C because to take place in here any word is might because it's modal. It might indicate to possibly about the concept. Okay, that's it about example to short dialogues. Next, part 2 about the long dialogue. The first one is thema and topic. Thema and topic. When a narrator talk about the direction on part B, you must understand or you must know thema or topic that the narrator or the speaker talking about. The second one is be careful to all question. So when a narrator say about question, we must listen carefully about really listen carefully about the question. The last one is understand condition and situation. It's meant that we must understand about the time, place, and who, what, and etc. Okay, just it about long dialogue. The last part is about the speech. The first is look at your answer set. If you have many time, look at your answer sheet because you must find a keyword because each speech is very long conversation or long speech. The second one is be careful to the first sentence because we must be careful to the first sentence to continue the line sentence. It will be must really careful to hear because it's make sure about our answer. The third one is we must know about 5 questions. 5 questions is meant that we must listen about the speaker said about what is meant the name or who or why or where or when or how. We must really know about the 5 questions. Okay, the last one is main idea or conclusion. When we listen to the listening TOEFL test, we must make a main idea or conclusion about the speech or the narrator said, or the speaker said. Okay, that's it. That I can tell you or I can explain to you about the tips how to answer the listening TOEFL test. I apologize if I have a mistake. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.